How to allow storage permission on your device. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, here to guide you through the way, and to know how you can do that, just watch this video till the very end and follow the following steps. First of all, make sure to go on the settings of your device, which is located on the different parts of different device. After you go on the settings, the easier way is to simply go on the search bar and search for PE. After you search for PE, many options will be shown here, and among this option you can simply tap on app permissions and now go on apps. After you do this, just simply go on any app and there you will see the option of storage, which is already allowed. If the option is allowed, then the storage permission is allowed right here. Just check like this through any other contacts, so this is also allowed here, any other apps, and see if the storage permission is allowed or not. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Also comment at the comment section for more videos, suggestions. Thank you.